Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby Violet, and today I have a unique jewelry haul and my first impressions of this company. Now this is unique to my channel because I actually have never highlighted a jewelry company that is focused on Oriental culture, and I especially love that because if you guys don't know, I am Chinese, Japanese, and part Portuguese, Spanish, and so I'm very ingrained in my Asian culture. I lived in Japan for many years, and my mom is from Taiwan, so traveled around the world, Okinawa, Hawaii, just different places. So the Asian culture is very near and dear to my heart. So when Hui Jewelry reached out to me to send me 2 pieces, I was like, yes please, let me try it out. Never heard of them, but I'm really glad to learn about this new company because they are Oriental based, they are handcrafted, and also they really focus on the handcrafted element, the spiritual side of it, and also the Eastern philosophy. So with that Eastern philosophy, the spiritual side, and the empowerment all together, it creates this really fun jewelry piece that really empowers, really like has a meaning behind it. So that is why I said yes. So before we get into the jewelry, actually let me show you guys real quick the packaging of the jewelry, because you know I am a sucker for jewelry and I'm very impressed by this packaging. It really makes me happy to see this. So the outside's just, you know, pink, but inside, guys, look how beautiful this is. This is Grace Hui, Blessing and Strength of Love, rooted in Oriental philosophy. And guys, look at this packaging. These are just a work of art and I love it. They're like cranes, and then there's like a temple and a fan. I absolutely love this. This is such a showpiece. And basically there's these 2 little things like this, and you open it up, and both of my jewelry pieces came in these little drawers right here. As you can see, there's nothing in there at the current moment, but look how cute this is, this packaging. And it is magnetic as well. Comes with a packaging like this, a silver polishing cloth, and then also this beautiful envelope with a card that you can personalize and give to a family member. And you guys know that Mother's Day is coming up, and also just like it's really cool because you can personalize and engrave your jewelry, and also having a symbolic meaning to it. So, and then lastly, it comes with like a little bag, so if you want to gift it in this way, you can. Alright guys, so let's get into the jewelry pieces. I have 2 pieces right now. I'm having so many jewelry pieces on because I wore this every day for 2 weeks because I wanted to make sure that the quality was good, there wasn't any issues or anything, and I wore this pretty much every single day. And so let me quickly take off this jewelry piece because I want it to be the highlight of just like everything. So these are the normal pieces I usually wear, but I'm going to take off this piece, and this is the Golden Crow bracelet, and I'm gonna put a little clip in so you can see what it looks like. Absolutely love this. I'm gonna put it on this side so you can really just like see the beauty of this bracelet. I really love it because it is, you can either get it copper with gold plated or silver with gold plated, and also they have enamel jewelry, and also let me put this on real quick. So they also have enamel with their jewelry, but I really like this because right now this is super on trend, like the charm bracelets, the charm necklaces and everything. And what I really like about this is the Golden Crow. Let me pull out my phone because I really want to tell you guys the significance and the meaning behind it. So the Golden Crow is supposed to symbolize empowerment, new beginnings, like raising from, you know, like raising from the sun, the solar energy. It's a symbol of strength and vitality, and it's based off of this mystical bird that's intertwined with the sun. So hence why there is the Golden Crow right here, and then all these little like sun charms with rays around it. and then also it has the name of the company. But what's really cool is in the back of the bird and the sun, there is our engraving of our last name. You probably won't be able to see it on this screen right here, but it says our last name, Foray. And I just love it because every time I wear this bracelet, I can see like our family name, and it just makes me incredibly happy, and to remind me of all the things that we've gone to, the strength and the new beginnings that we're actually leaning on right now. So it's been a really exciting adventure. So this really has been a symbolic meaning for me. I can intertwine it with all these other pieces, but really, I mean, this is just a showstopper. They have different kinds of earrings, they have like necklaces, but I really wanted to go for the charm bracelet. So absolutely love it. My mom gave me this green emerald ring, and I just think it really ties in with this green on the bracelet. So absolutely love that. So everything on my hands are gold. One thing that I do want to show you real quick is I'm going to take off this bracelet, and as you guys know, the charm bracelets are the charms on bags are super popular. So today I am carrying this little baby. This is my Louis Vuitton just like small little, I forget what it's called, mini Pushette. And so you can put little stuff inside of it. I have a wallet. And what I really like about this is that you can even add this bracelet on to like your purse or something. So I'm gonna add it real quick. It's gonna add such a cute element. And then the cool thing is there is like a little, you know, clasp on one side, but the cool thing about the mini Pushette, the Louis Vuitton mini Pushette, is that it has this little removable thing. So you can connect it to the bracelet, end of the bracelet. And I'm just giving you guys some like other ideas that you could do with this bracelet. I like to wear it, you know, obviously as a bracelet, but look how cute this is. So it can be, I actually have it backwards, but you get the idea. I put it on the wrong way, but literally you can wear it on your bag as a little like charm bracelet. I actually kind of like it like this, but again, if I flip it the right way, you can see it like that. So just adding a little element, you can add it to really all your purses. So absolutely love this. Okay, so next piece is a silver item, and this, they have like the water, the elements of the earth, and it's really, it's part of their like one of their lines. And really the cool thing about Grace Hui is that she studied marketing and economics, the jewelry designer. She studied in Netherlands, and then also she studied at the Art Institute, I believe in San Francisco, for many years, and then traveled to 20 different countries. So she's very she's just been around the world, and it's nice to see that she's like highlighting the Oriental culture. So this is the element of the red water necklace. There's other element necklaces that I'll put right here, but this company asked for my birthday, and then with my birthday they chose the red, the wave water element ended up being my symbol. And the reason it is part of my symbol is because it represents the Eastern Baozi with the principles of Western astrology. So like in America, you know, a lot of times we focus on the astrology of the stars. Well, here this is more of the so like the zodiac, but here this is more based on the like I said, the elements of the earth. So this is water, and it's paired with a deep black agate, and it's supposed to explore new possibilities and dispel fear with each day with motivation. So this is just a really cool piece. I really like it because it feels a little masculine, which I like. It feels a little masculine, which I like. And then on the back, there is again our family emblems engraving. So it says our last name in the back. Hopefully you can be able to see. I really love this because you know, I do like the dainty feminine pieces, but I really like this silver piece. It's very masculine, and I do actually mix my metals, but this one is such a cool like silver piece. Very minimal, you know, it's a showstopper. You could like layer it with different pieces. I like to put a black pearl necklace around there, but this is just a showstopper. Really with this just plain black top, as you can see, it's just like this centerpiece with a wave, and I really like what it represents. So yeah, these are the two pieces that I have. Absolutely love it. The possibilities are endless, but the most important thing is I really like the symbolic meaning behind it. You know, I really like the symbolic meaning behind these pieces, and I feel like these qualities of these pieces are really nice. Supposedly they say it's the same quality and items that Van Cleef uses, so that's pretty cool. They have a boutique. They have way different other collections, and they have collaborations on their website, so definitely check them out. I do have a discount code for you guys, which is this right here. Definitely check out their pieces and let me know what you think. I really like this Oriental culture based jewelry, and I just really honestly am glad that I was able to try out this company. This is my first impressions. Like I said, I've only had them for 2 weeks, so I can't attest for the long-term quality, but to me they're very substantial, and I especially like the personal engravement. So yeah, check them out. Let me know what you think, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much, Hui Jewelry, for sending me these pieces, and I hope to see you guys in a next first impressions video. Maybe, oh, and my next video coming up should be my fine jewelry collection, updated version, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much again, guys, for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.